Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to continue on stripping off all this excess trim and stuff. Just going to give everybody a heads up. If you ever start to restoring a vehicle that's late model, the odds are you could have a weird shaped screwdriver. It kind of looks like a figure eight. Here, let me get something else. Show you something bigger. Okay. Here's one of the bigger ones. You can kind of see. Looks like a figure eight. Alright, so I'm going to be stripping off the rest of this trim right here. Alright guys, this is, I'm fixing to take off the speedometer right there. My goal is to rebuild these. I'm gonna try to. Stripping her down, slowly but surely. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.